I'm here at Sam's Club to pick up some fire logs, and since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and look over their store and see if they have any winter clearance or any big sales going on. I was immediately drawn to the clothes, and here are some Members Mark soft ribbed leggings. As you can tell, there's pockets on the side, and they do have a high wide waistband, and they also have matching tops. These are each listed at $9.98. I love these boots, and they are the DV Dolce Vita ankle boots. At Sam's, I found them on their website and they are on sale, but if for some reason they've run out or you can't find them, I did find them on Amazon and I went ahead and linked it on my website. As you can tell, I have them. I'm actually wearing them, and I can definitely tell you they are a great winter boot. In the children's section, they have these two-piece active sets on clearance for $12.81. They do have these sets in boys and girls, and these are by Disney Plus for Star Wars. They've got the Champions, and they also have the Disney Junior. Now I am going to be jumping around a little. There were a lot of people in the store. So I am going back to the leggings area. These are also by Members Mark. As you can tell, this is more of a slick fabric, and they're not lined on the inside, but they are high-waisted, and they do have a pocket on the side. And these are on clearance for $7.81. I did find these Sherpa lined hoodies. I absolutely love this color. And as you can tell, they are lined. What I like about it is that the lining actually goes into the hoodie. And these are by Members Mark. And I'll bring this up close so you can see. And these are on clearance for $9.81. At one point, Sam's had these Sherpa lined joggers, but our store is out, so you might want to check your Sam's Club. And by Vince Camuto, they have these beautiful sweaters. They had them in several colors. Now scan through so you can quickly see them. And then I'll also bring it up close so that you can see the knit and what the collar looks like. These are actually called center seam crew sweaters, and these are by Vince Camuto on clearance for $9.98. And for $16.98, they have the women's Members Mark plaid shacket. And here you can see the button and the pockets detail. Now also by Vince Camuto is this half zip sweater, and these are actually on clearance for $12.81. Now our store only had 2 colors left, so you might want to check either online or at your actual store to see if there are any other colors. And as I mentioned, these are $12.81. Now moving over to these half zip Champion hoodies, they're actually really nice. Look at the hoodie fabric on the outside, and it's lined on the inside. Now they are a half zipper. You can see the logo there. And you can see it more on the maroon where the bottom has that black fabric similar to the hoodie itself. Now our Sam's Club did have them in the 3 colors, so they have these Champion half zips in the maroon, gray, and blue at $17.98. Now they do have the matching bottoms, but they are not on sale. Now both the Eddie Bauer sweater and crew sweatshirt is on clearance for $12.81. Unfortunately, all of the sweatshirts were gone, but I will show you their sweaters. Now they did have quite a few of the sweaters still left over, and I'll show you the different colors that are available, and then I'll show you the detail because they are thick and they are very warm. By Land's End, they have these lined flannel shirts. They are down to $22.98. Our Sam's Club only carried 2 colors, which was this sage green color. And you can see the inside flannel, and then in this blue. Now moving over to the boys section, they do have this sweater set. It's by Izod for $9.81. I think it's absolutely stunning. I think this would work out great for the upcoming spring and Easter season. And by Members Mark, these girls' holiday sweaters have been marked down on clearance for $6.81. They do have a lot of sequence designs, so I'll definitely bring these up close so you can see the shimmer. And by Gap, they have these crew sweaters for $21.98. Now they do have several colors. They have a blue, a green, a gray, and I don't believe I showed it, but they also have a maroon. Now these two hoodies, they are actually everyday active hoodies, and these are by Members Mark. We only had 2 colors left, so they are marked down to $9.81. You might want to check with your Sam's Club again and see if they have others, or maybe even online. Also by Members Mark, they have the Tech Fleece Crew and the pants. Now the pants are marked down to $7.81 and the crew is on clearance for $12.98. Now they do have these fleece lined pants by Coleman marked down to $12.81, but we were completely out. In women's, Members Mark also has a half zipped hoodie for $9.98, and then they've got the ribbed joggers, and those are $7.81. Now they did have quite a bit, and I will definitely show you the color variety. Unfortunately, Sam's was out of the joggers, but I do like to mention it in case your Sam's Club has it. The Millennium Stretch Ankle Pants by Rafaela has been marked down on clearance for $7.81. Now I will show you some of the variety that they do have. They do have this really nice detail up by the waistband. And as you can tell there, the ankle is a slim cut. Also on clearance are the ladies button cardigan and also the textured sweater. Both of these are by Gap and are $9.81 a piece. Now there weren't too many sweaters left at our Sam's Club, so you might want to check yours. And then we still had quite a bit of the cardigans, and I brought both of those up close so you can look at the detail. These beautiful, kind of like a tortoiseshell design of a button. And you can see the rib knitting on the wrist and on the waistband. Now, if you want to stash away some of the holiday sweatshirts for next year, they are marked down to $4.81. And these plush hoodies are by Members Mark, and they are so incredibly soft. These have actually been marked down to $9.98. And they did tend to run a little wider, so they're definitely relaxed and a lot roomier. And as you know, Sam's Club will carry state items, like this one says Nevada, this one's by Champion, and then they also have the brand State of Mind. I'm actually finding everything but the fire logs, so I'm thinking they might be out, but we have been having a lot of snowstorms, so I'm gonna keep looking and see what else I can find. I did run into an aisle that had a lot of Christmas items that were clearanced out. So I'm just going to show you the products so you have an idea as to what is still there. And if I remember to show you the prices, I will, but just know they're at least 50% off. So with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find some fire logs somewhere else before it gets too cold and the snow starts coming down. But anyway, I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you are still doing or looking for Christmas clearance. I am pretty much seeing the end of it, but hopefully you guys are still finding some great buys. Anyway, again, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, Sam's Club always has some wonderful flowers. So Valentine's Day is not too far off. So head over there and maybe pick some up because they have a great prices. All right, you guys, remember to like, subscribe, and definitely leave me some comments. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next one.